Hello everyone. Welcome to this new tutorial. Today, we are going to combine the Imagine WebAR World Tracker and Image Tracker in the same Unity project. This will allow us to build a combined image and world tracking experience. Before we begin, note that this is an early experimental feature and may have issues depending on your scenario. We start a new Unity project. Let's call it WT plus IT. We don't need Unity Cloud in this case. Pick your preferred organization to include this project. After the project has finished initializing, we import the Imagine WebAR World Tracker version 1.4.0. You can do this from the package manager. And then, let's do the same for the Imagine WebAR Image Tracker version 1.7.0. Once we have both plugins in the project, let's go to Build Settings, and switch our project to the WebGL platform. After switching to WebGL, let's quickly disable the build compression format. This is just an optional step depending on your hosting server. And now, if we go to Resolution and Presentation, we can see both WebGL templates. We will combine them in the next step. Go to Assets, WebGL Templates folder, and duplicate the WTracker folder. And let's name it WT plus IT. You can see that our new folder already contains the WTracker.js file. Now we duplicate the iTracker.js file from the iTracker template, and then we drag it to our new template. And let's name it properly to iTracker. And as a final step, we need to edit our index.html file. Open index.html file in your preferred editor program. At the top of the body tag, type the following line exactly. This will hold our image targets once we build our project. And then we add a reference to our iTracker.js script file. And then lastly, we need to initialize the image tracker. So let's copy the initialization block for the world tracker, and replace each line but for the image tracker class. And now, you are ready to use both image and world trackers in the same Unity project. Just make sure that you are using your combined template in player settings. At this point, you will now be able to use both image and world trackers in the same project, but not yet in the same scene. In the last part of this tutorial, we will show how you can use both trackers in the same scene. Note that this will greatly vary depending on what experience you are trying to achieve. In our case, we will just implement a simple scene that tracks an image and a surface simultaneously. Let's start by deleting the main camera, and replacing it with an AR camera. And then we create a world tracker object. And then we drag the AR camera to the AR camera property of our world tracker. And now let's create an image tracker, and drag the AR camera to the AR camera property in the inspector. Then let's add an image target file to our project, and quickly set up an image target object. Finally, we need to edit our image tracker script. Go to line 240 and change the following two lines as shown. This part will allow the world tracker camera to move the AR camera while the image targets will move relative to the camera. Now save our script and build our project. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.